This coding question has appeared at every single company for the past 2 years. So we're given an array of strings, return the longest common prefix among the strings. So let's say we're given the following strings, the longest common prefix is GO, so we can return GO. Now let's go over the thought process. We can compare the first string in the array with every other string. So initially the length of the longest common prefix is equal to 4. Now let's compare the first string with the second string, and since the length of the longest common prefix is equal to 4, we only need to compare 4 characters, and now in this case the longest common prefix is GO, we can update the length to 2. And now we can compare the first string of the last string, and we only need to compare up to 2 characters, the longest common prefix is GO, the resulting length is 2. Let's implement the function longest common prefix taking an array of strings. If the array is empty, return an empty string. Create a variable length to keep track of the length of the longest common prefix. Iterate through the indices of the strings. Update the length if our current string is shorter. Iterate through the indices of the characters. Retrieve the 2 characters. If the characters are not the same, update the length and break for the loop, and then we can return the longest common prefix.